Hey everyone, I'm Rajiv from DevCode, and in this video, I'm going to tell you all about the super function used in JavaScript. The super keyword is used to access properties on an object classes or invoke superclasses, aka the parent class's constructor function. In the constructor functions of a child's class, the super keyword may appear as a function call, which must be called before this keyword is used and before the constructor returns. It calls the parent class's constructor and binds the parent class's public fields, after which the derived class's constructor can further access and modify this keyword. Now let's look at an example. Here I've created a class called animal. Let's see if it's working. Yes, it's working as I'm getting an output when I call the introduce function on the human const or the variable. See here I just created a variable from the class animals. Now let's create a human class which extends the animal class. In the human class I have created two variables, name and age. Now when setting up the constructor for the human class, I have to call the super function and put the parameters human and homo sapiens as a species so that I can access the introduce function in the animal class while being inside the human class. Now here inside the introduce function, I can call the introduce function from the animal or the parent classes by using the super keyword. Let's check the result. And this result is correct. So this is it for this video of what super function do in JavaScript. Bye.